Hello, JC, Piana Investing Club. Happy Friday. This week, I want to go over three important topics that shaped this week. First, banks and Wells Fargo earnings this morning. Wells Fargo posted excellent earnings today with an EPS of $1.52 compared to $1.28 the market expected. This puts Wells Fargo on track to hit an annual earnings rate of around $6 per share, which is impressive. At this rate, I estimate the stock to be valued around $70, which is very reasonable. As you know, Wells Fargo is part of my portfolio, and many members of Piana Investing Club also hold shares. The bank has significantly reduced its provision on bad loans, and with 1.3 trillion in cash on hand, it's clear that Wells Fargo is a strong position. The CFO's statement was reassuring. He emphasized that the US economy is robust and consumers are in good shape. We are seeing fewer loan defaults than analysts expected last quarter, which further supports this. For club members invested in Wells Fargo, this is a great news, and for the broader market, is a good sign for the economy. Let's talk about now CPI and inflation data. Inflation numbers released Thursday showed a slight increase with a monthly rise of 0.2% instead of expected 0.1%. However, the annual inflation is trending at a manageable 2.4%, which aligns with the Federal Reserve's target. This supports continuous strong growth with unemployment at healthy 4.1%. This is a good news for the rally we've seen in the markets. This is a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines waiting to be invested, and that's why we're seeing strong performance from companies like Nvidia or Meta. Wells Fargo, as I mentioned, is up 6% today and affirmed around 15% thanks to a favorable price target of $62 set by Wells Fargo. These movements reflect the strength of consumer confidence and the minimal defaults across the border. This week's rally, when to sell. The rally continued this week, but it's important to know when to sell and take some profits. I recommend it setting a bit of your portfolio to selling a bit to make cash available for future opportunities. Markets go through cycles, and it's always a good idea to be prepared for when prices dip again. If you're wondering what to do in these moments, that's exactly why Piana Investing Club exists. For $49 per month, members receive exclusive insight into the best times to buy, sell, and hold. This week was excellent for members of Piana Investing Club and for the market. And if you're not already a member, I encourage you to join today by following my recommendations. Members have seen significant gains over the past month. Have a great weekend. And